Brazilian consulate in Toronto to protest the burning rainforest that's happening as a result of animal agriculture. Meat, dairy, and eggs are responsible. The Amazon's being burnt down to grow GMO soy for animal feed and for cattle ranching. And we're holding a 5-day vigil and hunger strike at Maple Leaf Foods. And we're protesting the construction of a new slaughterhouse in London, Ontario. And we see the connection. So no new slaughterhouse in London, and people need to go vegan now, and at the individual level, but also at the systems level. Did you want to add anything, Bob?
Yeah, just that we're here for the animals and the planet. It is all connected. Cargill is the worst company in the world, major animal feed producer. Whatever companies have slaughterhouses, there's just no reason to feed good plants to animals because we're too lazy to eat the plants directly. As long as we keep burning down the rainforests and raising animals for slaughter, this world's not going to change. So it's now or never.